Hey everybody, PandaLover485 here, and welcome back to another Survival Madness episode. And today we will be putting our furnaces in our furnace shop. But I just wanted to, because we have some materials in here, and we're going to also be starting a crafting place. So I wanted to real quickly just grab some of these slabs, and you will see why. Because as you remember in the previous episode, we used these for our floor of the furnace shop. And there's a zombie banging on the door. But you'll see why I want some more. 12 should be good. We're just gonna get to bed. That would be helpful if we go to bed. Who? Alright, sorry for that. I have no idea what network error is. It's just something that happens randomly. Alright, so now it is day. And let's get to work on finishing our furnace shop. Alright, so let's grab our cobblestone so we can go craft some furnaces. Put up the table. And you'll see why I also need those slabs. It's a big mystery. So let's put these in here like this. And again. Again, because we're going to be needing it a lot. Okay, and we have eight furnaces. So let's go back over to our furnace shop, or furnace place. Put them in like this. There ain't gonna be a lot of room, but now this is where the slabs come in. See that? Okay. We won't be able to activate the ones on the far corners, but see, so go around the whole place like that. I don't like that actually. No slots, get rid of the slats. Break these. I have a different idea for these slabs. We're going to put them up like this, so you can still activate that furnace. And like that. See, like that. That's perfect. Let's grab another stack here. Go this way. And we just need, I'd say, about, oh boy, we had 8 last time, 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Four, 5, 6, 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, that's 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Grab this. We have 7 furnaces now. Run back over here and place them on our racks. Now we won't be able to activate the ones in the corners, but there we go. That's our little furnace house. And now we are going to work on our crafting house, which is going to kind of be like the same thing, except we're going to use some cobblestone to build it. Put that there. And then we're going to use some stone bricks and stairs. And basically it's just going to be like a bunch of crafting tables. So let's begin. We're going to have just like that building, but it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 this time. 2, 3, breaks grass. 4, 5. Go up 5 for that. And then break this. Okay. Actually, I want that going out 6. So break these grass. Make there. Build them on this way. Go over here. And run like that. So that's basically how it's gonna look like. What it's gonna look like. Now let's just build it more like this. Up 3. Keep going around. And we ran out. Oh boy, what am I gonna do? We're gonna have to go get more cobblestone. Apparently. Yeah, we're gonna have to go get more. Okay. Please forgive my dogs. They're very annoying. Alright. Let's go over this way. Over there's some stone. We can get that. Oh, look it. Alright, well, yeah. That's scary. Take some of this. Get more. Like this. I know I really should have gotten more, but I thought it would be enough. I didn't know we would need that much furnaces. Let's keep going. Alrighty, now we're gonna hop back up here and go this way. Again, sorry for the dogs, they're really annoying. Okay, real quickly, let's grab this. Oh, come here, puppy, be mine. Yes! 2 dogs! Comment below and tell me what you would like me to name this dog, please. Fluffy now has a brother. Awesome. Come on, you. You're so cute. But Fluffy can't wait to see his new friend. Fluffy, where are you? Where's Fluffy? Fluffy, look it. I got a friend. Come here, boy. Come here. Come here. Fluffy. Oh, no, you're not Fluffy. Oh, well. He doesn't want to come. Alright, so, let's see. Dirt. So you want some dirt. God, no. That's just like that. And now build up our cobblestone. Hopefully we should have enough to last us to go around the whole edge when we're, oh, that's in the way. Oh well. Hey, but you're not supposed to be up there. I killed him. What is wrong with me? I killed a villager. How dare. Alright, so we have that, and now we're going to start the roof. Just like all our other roofs, we always do them like this. Go over this way. We won't be able to put it there, which is a little depressing, but we'll just put it like this way, which should be okay. And we don't need any torches for in here because when all the furnaces are lit up, it will be bright enough. If I even do light them. And now let's build a little staircase here. I will be putting in a door soon, so don't worry. Alright, where are my stairs? Right here. Oh! Do that. Thank you. Alrighty. Build that along like that. What pieces are we going to use for the middle? What do I have in this chest? What's this? Oh, I got some stone bricks. We could use those, I suppose. I will be needing more, but they could do for now. I'm just going to put them around like this. And I'm going to put my stairs on them. Going like, oh wait, that's my last one. Give me these back. I'm just gonna go around like this. And then we're gonna place these there. Alright, parkour. Close. I was close. Now, let's get our pick and mine out of here before it becomes dark. And now let's go to bed real quick. And then in the morning, we'll have to do something. I'm not sure what. Alright, what do we have in here? Okay, we have more of those. Those could come in handy, same with those. Puts wool, obsidian, brown wool. I think I might have an idea. Give me these. Let me get back up here. Get rid of this. Okay. And then put that there, and then take these and just go like this. See? That works. I like that. Now let's go back over here. I know we're still going to be needing more stairs, but we could always do that in the next episode. I really wanted to finish this in this episode, but we couldn't. Alright, give me my dirt. No. Dirt. Whoa. Don't do that. Darn it. Yeah. Alrighty, and then we're gonna have the stairs like up there. And then the bricks will be right there. Right there. Stair brick. Yep, right that. Okay, I like that. What to do next? Seeing as we did run out. Wait, I still have these stone bricks I can use. Be brick there, brick there. Like the stair will be there. I don't know, I fell. So technically the front would look like that, except there's no stairs, so it looks a little weird right now. Wait, do I have stone stair? What does that look like? Oh, it's cobblestone stair. It's not the same. I don't know what to do, Fluffy. Let me just steal the stair real quick. Ooh, wait a second. Getting an idea. Take this blacksmith's floor. We can always smelt the cobblestone and get more smooth stone, because I don't need the cobblestone anymore. And then we can make more stone. Oh, it was the stairs I needed, right. Put this in here. Just add that coal. And then what's this? Iron. We need to wait. Oh wait, I have some smooth stone right there. Alright, 4. Alright, watch this now. We take this, go with the, we get 4 of these. We're going to be needing more than 4. So let's wait some more. Jetsu, come on, you can do it. We'll at least get 8 and make a few stairs. Now we can make a few more of these. Get those and go like this. So we get 4 stairs. See, not all that bad. Now let's just go over here real quick. Just gonna put the slab here. Kevin, I dropped them. Put that there. Like that. Like that. Okay, so that'll be the end of this video. So I hope you really did enjoy it. And I'm building this. It looks a little weird right now because it's dirt in there. But I will see you in the next video. Bye.